Hey everyone, welcome back to QMocha's Lesson of the Week. This week we will be discussing everything that is hashtags. You guys already know how important using hashtags is. Hashtags are not just a number symbol with a word next to it. They are key in helping people who don't already follow you come across your content. Hashtags can be used in a variety of ways. You can use them not only in your captions, but also your Instagram story. Using the right hashtag will help people all over the world discover you. And who doesn't want to reach millions of people? Today, we are taking a look at one of my personal favorite accounts, Pantone. Pantone knows colors. I mean, come on, it's Pantone. But let's see what they know about hashtags. First, log into your QMocha Dashboard. When you go to your report card, scroll down and click on Hashtags. You will see that we analyze what hashtags perform best for you, as well as how many hashtags you should be using. Next, you will see a list of hashtags that your brand has been using. We will show you which ones work best for you and which ones don't work all that well for you. For Pantone, hashtag Koi2019 brings in so many likes, approximately 28,000 more likes. When you click on that hashtag, you will see all of the posts that you've used this hashtag in. Next, go back to your report card. You will see that we also analyze how many hashtags you should be using per post. Generally, Instagram allows you to use up to 30 hashtags per post, but that doesn't mean you need to use all of them. Now, click on how many to use. You will then see a general range of hashtags that you've been using. For Pantone, 1 to 3 hashtags perform best for them. When they don't use any hashtags, they tend to not see as much engagement. Our suggestion for Pantone is to always use 1 to 3 hashtags per post. There are so many benefits to using hashtags. If you're trying to reach more people and get your content out there, then using hashtags is key to your success. Tune in next week for our lesson of the week.